Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best drones to buy in 2026, whether you're a beginner, content creator, or aerial photography enthusiast, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best drones of 2026, featuring models with 8K and 6K cameras, long flight times, GPS tracking, obstacle avoidance, and beginner-friendly controls. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Drone with 8K camera and LCD screen controller. This drone stands out with its 8K camera and a 4.5-inch HD display built directly into the remote controller, meaning you don't need to rely on your smartphone. It comes with 3 batteries, brushless motors, GPS positioning, obstacle avoidance, and 5G HD transmission. The built-in screen is a big advantage, especially for outdoor flying where phone glare can be a problem. GPS-assisted features like auto return, stable hovering, and obstacle avoidance make it safer for beginners. The brushless motors provide smooth and quiet flight, while the 8K camera delivers impressive detail for landscapes and aerial shots. Pros: built-in 4.5-inch HD display on controller, high-resolution 8K camera, GPS auto return and obstacle avoidance. Includes 3 batteries for extended flight time. Cons: larger controller compared to phone-based remotes. Camera performance may depend on lighting conditions. This drone is a solid choice if you want high resolution and an all-in-one controller, making it ideal for beginners and casual aerial photographers. Number 2. Bwine F7 GB2 Pro 4K GPS Drone. The Bwine F7 GB2 Pro is designed for serious users, offering a 4K UHD camera with a 3-axis gimbal, an impressive 75 minutes of total flight time, and a massive 10,000 feet control range. It includes GPS features like Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, Orbit Mode, and Beginner Mode. This drone delivers extremely stable footage thanks to the 3-axis gimbal. The long-range transmission and extended battery life make it ideal for travel filming and long outdoor sessions. Beginner mode reduces speed and sensitivity, making it accessible even if you're new to flying. Pros: 3-axis gimbal for smooth 4K video, extremely long flight time with 3 batteries, long-range control up to 10,000 feet, beginner-friendly GPS flight modes. Cons: larger size compared to ultra-light drones, higher price than entry-level models. If you want professional stability and long flight time, the Bwine F7 GB2 Pro is one of the best value drones for creators in 2026. Number 3. GPS drone with EIS 2K camera and screen controller. This lightweight drone weighs under 249 grams, making it registration-friendly in many regions. It features a 2K HD camera with EIS stabilization, a controller with a built-in screen, GPS flight, AI tracking, night shooting, and up to 64 minutes of flight time with 3 batteries. This drone is clearly designed for beginners. The EIS system helps reduce shake, while AI features like Follow Me and AI Night Shot add creative flexibility. The foldable design makes it easy to carry, and the built-in screen removes the need for a smartphone. Pros: under 249 grams, lightweight and portable. Built-in screen on controller. AI tracking and night shot modes. Long total flight time. Cons: 2K camera instead of 4K. EIS is not as smooth as a gimbal. A great beginner-friendly and travel-ready drone, perfect for casual filming and learning aerial photography. Number 4. Holystone HS790 6K GPS Drone. The Holystone HS790 comes with a 6K camera, a 3-axis gimbal, and supports 4K video recording at 30 frames per second. It offers an incredible 9-kilometer transmission range, AI shooting modes, night shots, and up to 60 minutes of flight time. This drone delivers professional-level performance. The 3-axis gimbal ensures ultra-smooth footage, while advanced AI quick shots make cinematic videos easy. Long-range transmission and GPS safety features make it reliable for experienced pilots. Pros: high-quality 6A camera with 3-axis gimbal, long-range 9-kilometer transmission, AI quick shots and night photography, strong GPS safety features. Cons: not ideal for complete beginners. The HS790 is perfect for users who want cinematic quality footage and advanced features without stepping into ultra-premium pricing. Number 5. Potensic Atom SE 4K GPS Drone. The Potensic Atom SE is a compact, lightweight drone under 249 grams, featuring a 4K EIS camera, brushless motors, 62 minutes of flight time, and 4-kilometer FPV transmission. It also supports GPS auto-return and intelligent flight modes. This drone offers a great balance of performance and portability. It's easy to fly, stable in the air, and produces sharp 4K footage for its size. The foldable design makes it ideal for travel, and the beginner-friendly controls are excellent for new pilots. Pros: under 249 grams, no registration needed in many regions, sharp 4K EIS camera, long flight time, compact and foldable design. Cons: no mechanical gimbal, limited advanced cinematic modes. The Potensic Atom SE is one of the best lightweight GPS drones for beginners in 2026. So, those are the top 5 best drones of 2026. Whether you want 8K resolution, long flight time, beginner-friendly controls, or professional-level stabilization, there's a drone on this list for everyone. Check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.